because it has stuff in it too. And then I think manually if you go to
Take it out.
That's amazing.
Pickles.
Oh, that's sprinkles. Okay.
People talking without speaking. People laughing without people writing songs and voices never show.
Yes,
And
dude.
no one does the sound.
Dude, you were spot on, man. Like, you're not kidding me. With the tones and everything.
See?
It seems like a...
Off the new one.
Like
amazing.
She has to write notes. She
Yeah.
gets the keychain. She has everything.
My words and
here. You have it? Hey, Jordy. Nice.
Wow.
Wow. Bravo.